All right, so I've got this nice warm up for your hips and your lower back, especially if you've got any pain in your glutes or your lower back. This is going to help to loosen that up. And it's meant to be nice and gentle, so I'm going to do this in a pair of jeans. And all you need is a place to sit, a dining room chair or a Chesterfield. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set our feet nice and wide and then squeeze the knees together. And we're going to do that nice and slow, really focusing on squeezing together in this direction and gently opening up in this direction. So big internal squeeze, out nice and gentle. We're going to do 10 to 20 of those. Feel free to hold these squeezes for a long time and really put some good effort into that. The whole time we've got nice posture, and again, gentle on the out, really hard on the in. Second movement, we're going to straighten the legs out a little bit, and we're just going to focus on turning the toes in. Perfect. So 10 to 20, squeezing harder on the inside than the outside. Nice and gentle here. Big squeeze on the inside. Go at your own pace, 10 to 20. Feel free to pause the video and continue along when you're done your reps. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to stand up, and you can either put one hand on the couch like so, or you can lean on the couch for balance. Either way, we're going to take the knee up, out to the side, nice and gentle. We're going to kick the foot up and then bring the knees together. And then we're going to do the opposite. Out, let the foot drop as you raise the knee, bring the knee forward, drop down again. Again, if you need a little more balance, lean this leg on the couch, this hand on, and just do everything in a slightly more tucked position. Right together, out, drop the foot, raise the knee, knee to the front, and down. We're going to do 5 to 10 of those, nice and slow. Go at your own pace. Feel free to pause the video at any point. And then we're going to switch sides. Whew. So, like I said, when you go through this movement, if you're standing up, it's a knee drive, tracking the knee out to the side, adding the kick with the foot, bring the knee down and together, bring everything up and out, adding rotation, elevating the knee, bringing the leg forward, dropping down. If you're having trouble with the movement, the best way to remember this, and keep going if you're doing your reps comfortably, we're going to do 5 to 10. But if you're having trouble with this movement, kick back, open up, and hurdle over an imaginary hurdle, and just stick with the reverse of the action. Nice and slow, no rush. All right, we're going to get into the lower back. First thing we're going to do, hands across your shoulders, or hands on your knees, or just track around with your arms, it doesn't matter. We're going to turn nice and slow. We want to keep the chest upright and follow our chest with our eyes and chin. Hands on your knees if you don't have as much range of motion. Nice and gentle. No rush, and try to really squeeze the ends of your range of motion. We're trying to get as far as we can without pain. And you'll notice with each rep, you can get a little further than the rep before to a point. Excellent. Now we're going to do some side bends. Chest is upright. You're trying to drop one shoulder while elevating the other, and then repeat on the opposite side. We're trying not to twist as we do this. It's just lateral flexion, nice and gentle. We'll do about 5 to 10 per side, and then we're going to get into some full spinal cars. I like to have my hands across my shoulders. Feel free to have your hands in your lap, whatever you prefer, whatever's more comfortable. What we're going to do is we're going to flex, And then we're going to turn, and then we're going to laterally flex, and then we'll rotate in the other direction. Whoa. Big squeeze forward, and round up to center. And then we'll switch directions. Twist, bend, twist, bend, twist. Or as we like to say, flex, rotate, flex, rotate, flex, rotate. Let's try one more. Twist, bend, twist, bend, twist. And that's it. So hopefully that'll help you warm up your hips and back. Stay tuned for more.